Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the wrist.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Anique. How y'all doing or whatever? Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. I am Anique here from LDH Anique. Thank you guys so much for stopping by this side of the YouTube universe. Appreciate you. Okay, if you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button because we always like new family into our home. If you are coming here for this video and you enjoy it, make sure you click that thumbs up, the like, because you know what, this helps us to go out to the YouTube universe for whoever else may need a little help mastering their money. Okay, little baby, so get into it. And if you're here for the good cash envelope stuffing of this video, then stay tuned because we are just as excited. This is our first time in sold out cash stuffing envelopes. So let's get into it. Okay, so now that we've got all the housekeeping out of the way, child, we are cash stuffing. And it's a mixture of real money and prop money. But you know what? We gonna count it all up. So we gonna get everybody together. We gonna see, you know, where everybody needs to go. Ooh, let me keep y'all inside, child, so y'all see what's happening. You know, so we can see what is going on basically with everything. We gotta count this money up to see how much money we actually have too, so you know. Oh, and the 50, child, let me keep the 50 in the hand, put that money over there, put that money over here, put my money over there, that one over there, and the 50 in the hand. So we're gonna take the hundreds up first, the 50s, the 20s behind that, the 10s behind that, the 5s, and the 1s. Okay, so today we are going to be stuffing 1, 2, 253, 350, 370, 390, 410, 420, 430. Girl, I definitely counted that wrong. Let me start over. So come on, camera, focus, girl. Today we are cash stuffing 100, 200, 250, 300, 350, 370, 390, 410, 430, 450, 460, 470, 480, 490, 500, 505, 510, 515, 520, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So today we are cash stuffing $525. We are gonna put those all up in the spaces they're supposed to be in. Okay, all the spaces they're supposed to be in, child, and the ones. Okay, the autofocus is auto-focusing. Okay, so this is our money laid out. So now we're gonna grab our cash envelope binder and our sinking funds binder. Okay, y'all, so I have my cash envelopes here that I'm gonna be doing and my sinking funds in these two binders, but we are gonna start off with the cash envelopes in this binder right here. Okay, so actually let me put y'all down because I feel like y'all is up way high right now, so let me put y'all down real quick. There we go. Okay, all right, so now we can get started. Okay, so for groceries I'm gonna do $150, and that's gonna be 100 and a 50. So this is $150 that's gonna go into groceries, and everything right here is starting basic at 0. So this is groceries. That's the first thing. The next one is gas. This gas is $30. So gas was a 20 and a 10. So 20 and 10 is 30. Okay, that is gas, and I do need gas for my car in this moment. So that's fine. Girl, fix yourself inside your cash envelope, child. Okay, so that is gas. Okay, and that's 30. Next is allowance. Allowance is not getting anything though. Okay, she's empty this pay period because I've got money outside of my thingamajiggy, outside of my paycheck, which I'm not counting right now. But yeah, so that's why allowance is empty, because I've got money other way prior to this pay period. Next is household, and household is getting $10, which is a cute 10 right here. Don't you fall. Don't be out here, you know, showing up and showing out. So household got $10. Next is toiletries, and toiletries is getting $5. So she's getting 5 in toiletries. So there she goes. So that's toiletries. And then back to bank is getting nothing. It's gonna be 0. So back to bank is done. And basically that is my cash envelope stuff. Now we're gonna move on. Now we're gonna move on to my sinking funds, which is this right here. Go ahead and watch step 3 of cash envelopes and sinking funds if you do not know what, excuse me, cash envelopes and sinking funds are in the Money Mastery series. And you can get a better understanding for both of these. So the first thing in here is car maintenance, and car maintenance is getting $50. So she's 50. So put $50 in car maintenance, because I do have some car expenses that are coming up that I need to do, and so it's very important that I start, you know, going hard and heavy on this, especially because your girl needs to get it together. So that's car maintenance. Next is Christmas. This Christmas is getting $20. So ooh, this 20 crispy. Okay, we like crispy bunny now. We like old ones too, because they all money, but we like crispy ones more because they're cute. Okay, next is travel. So if you guys don't know, I am going on my Jamaica trip in August. End of August, I'm going on my Jamaica trip. So this travel is essential in this point, baby. It's essential. So that is for travel. Next is clothing for this Jamaica trip. Your girl needs to do what? Get some clothes. You know, probably one-a-days. That's what I call them. So one-a-days are outfit that you can wear once a day. Things like a romper, things like a dress. Those are one-a-days. I think I'll be there for 7 days if I'm not mistaken. So getting those would be essential. I've already gotten 1 or 2 pieces, so it's now, you know, just to get the 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7 included. You know, so I'm working on that. I know it's June, July basically, but I have the month to get it together, because I don't want to put too much on my credit card because it's gonna be working. I just know. So even in this moment that I'm trying to, you know, do better and pay on my credit card, I understand that this was not the best time frame for me to take this trip, but it's also a trip that has been planned for months with my family. I'm going to see my family, and I haven't seen my family in, I want to say 5 or 6 years, guys. I haven't been home to my island in 5 or 6 years. And if you guys don't know, I'm from Jamaica, so, you know, I can make it come out, but most of the time, I talk the other way. I talk this way so you guys can understand me, but I'm super excited to go back home. The food? I'm excited to especially go. I know in my old videos I used to talk about that too a lot, you know, the food of home, but now it's an actual thing that's gonna happen. So if nothing else, guys, my credit card will be just used off of food alone. Like, I'm getting all the things. I'm getting all the seasonings too, because I really want to get, you know, get my cooking bag, girl. So I'm getting all the seasonings too, so I can be prep, prime, and ready. Get into it, okay? Anyways, next is my birthday. I actually did not, my birthday just happened this month in June that you guys are watching this. So for my birthday, it doesn't really need a lot. So I'm just putting $5 in here. Then next is hair care. Y'all, I've been on this thing where I am, sorry, hair care gets $180. But I've been on this thing where I am, 360, 70, 580, where I am getting my hair braided every couple months because I want my hair to grow. And honestly, I just don't have time, and I honestly don't make it a priority. I'm hoping one day I get to the point where my hair, I just have enough money for someone to do it, because at least in that regard, hair care will be taken care of. But in this moment, getting my hair braided, it's good for me, because it keeps it takes away one other stress level that other than what I currently have now. So yeah, so here is supposed to get $180. So this is 100, 120, 140, 150, 160, 170, 175, and 180. And I'm gonna put that in hair care. So that's why hair care is getting $180, and I have not changed. Oh my god. Okay, I was like, what is going on? I've not changed it, and I will not change that. My next appointment is booked already. I am faithfully going back to her. I think the only time that I will change up is in the month of August, because at the end of August I would need my hair done instead of the beginning of I need my hair done the end of August instead of the beginning of September, because I usually do my hair the first week. Basically the first week of the month is when I usually do my hair. So yeah, but that's fine. And then for my 1 month ahead, is gonna be $5, which is gonna be this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I wanted to put something in a month ahead. I understand that my budget doesn't afford me the opportunity to put a lot, but this is a very important binder to me, my month ahead, because it's kind of like my emergency fund if you think about it. Are one of. So that's why I at least put something in there. Even though I didn't have much to give, I put something because it takes me one step closer to where I want to be, right? So that is me stuffing my cash, my sinking funds actually, and that is basically it, guys. That is all of my $525 stuffed inside these cash envelopes. That is how I broke down my cash envelopes and the reason that I did. But I just wanted to tell you guys that this is gonna be a journey. Like I said before, I started budgeting in 2020 and I stuck through with it until July of 2021, I want to say, and then I just fell off. And so now, you know, these are the results that you've seen in the beginning of Money Mastery, and me helping you guys, you know, and myself get to where I need to be in order to better manage my funds financially. So yeah, this is just the beginning for me. Whatever mistakes, whatever wins we have, we will go through it together. And I don't know if I'm fully excited. I don't want to lie to you guys. I think I recognize that it's time, you know. If you're not at least excited about it, be responsible about it. And I think that's where I'm at, that I cannot be a victim of my own circumstances. Oh, God, preach. You cannot be a victim of your own circumstances that you create. And so that's what I'm trying to do. And I'm not saying that I'm perfect, because baby, I still do make mistakes, but I'm saying is that at least we can try to take one step forward, you know. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this was beneficial to you. I hope you got something out of it and it helps you in your money mastery budgeting journey. If you have not, like I said, watched any of the Money Mastery videos, go ahead and watch that series. This is the final video of that series. And I just hope, you know, guys, that we all get to our final financial destination. And again, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys, because it really does help out the channel in growing and in building a bigger community for all of us, as well as hitting that like button, because then it, you know, lets other people see our videos so that we can build this community and, you know, get to where we need to get to. So again, my name is Annie. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.